Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the core materials: 1 ice crystal, 3 silk thread, and 2 frost shards. Once you have them, go straight to a level 5 crafting bench. This bench unlocks the specific Elsa template. Make sure you also have 500 coins and an empty character slot before crafting, otherwise the process halts. You need these prerequisites ready because the recipe consumes the items immediately. Now position your avatar beside the bench and open the crafting menu to load the template. You assemble the Elsa form by placing the ice crystal in slot and both frost shards in slot B, then weave the 3 silk thread into the pattern loop, cross, bind. Once the pattern is set, select the Elsa template and preview the stats. This shows required energy and coin cost. After preview, activate the template and confirm the crafting cost. During this stage, the system fuses items into a base model, so watch the progress bar. Interrupting now causes partial failures and material loss. You finalize Elsa by adding 1 warm ember for the final infusion. This stabilizes the form and prevents corruption. Once infusion completes, check her stats and cosmetic options. If you need a different skin, re-roll at 100 coins per attempt. Make sure to equip Elsa immediately to reserve the slot. If crafting fails or model is corrupted, go to the salvage bench and reclaim roughly 50% of consumed materials, then repeat the process, correcting any step where items were misplaced or the bench level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.